Hey Naturalistas, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia Hope, and if you're new here or you're just not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. It is crazy to say, but it has been over 2 years since the last time I uploaded a natural hair related video to YouTube. And I'm coming back with some major changes. As you probably can already tell by the title, I went ahead and got myself some MICROLOCS, and I am so happy. So for those of you who have been following my natural hair journey here on YouTube, you probably mainly know me for having different types of short haircuts. But over the past couple of years, I've experimented beyond just short natural hair, and while growing it out, I had some fun playing with my hair and experimenting with different styles. A lot of it was just updos. I was doing a lot of buns, I was doing a lot of ponytails, whether they were loose ponytails or braided ponytails. And when I finally had enough hair to grip, child, I found the best braider in Philadelphia to braid my hair from time to time. And I did ponytail braids, I did half braided, half loose styles, and I just had such a good time experimenting with my hair. So fast forward to right now. Well, let's actually fast forward to December 7th, 2022, the very last time I washed my loose natural hair. This was my texture with absolutely zero product in it. That's what my instructions were from my loctician. I had been growing my hair out from a very short haircut for about a year and some change, and this is the length that I was working with going into my appointment. I chose to braid up my hair in 4 sections, and this was just so that I would be in a stretched state prior to getting my locks installed. And I just let my hair dry overnight ahead of my appointment, and I attempted to vlog, so here we go. So it is currently 7:41. My appointment starts at 8 a.m. It's gonna be a 10 to 12 hour day. I am almost 6 months pregnant. Let's say hi to the bump. You see it? So as long as I can be done in this drive-through at Starbucks by 7:50, I'll be making good time. Okay, so I have all my Starbucks goodies. It is 7:53. My ETA is 8:05, so not on time. So story time. I initially planned on getting MICROLOC extensions, also known at this salon as Got MICROLOCS. I had a virtual consultation where they told me that the lock extensions might not be compatible with my hair, but I was like, no, this is what I want. This is what I've been growing my hair out for. And they ultimately said, okay. So when I get to the salon, they had 2 locticians prepared to install my Got MICROLOCS. And it was supposed to be a very long day. That's why I had anticipated a 10 to 12 hour day, and hence why I had 5 million snacks from Starbucks on hand. But as soon as one of the locticians touched my hair, she was like, ooh, boo, your hair is entirely too soft for these extensions. Like, it's just not compatible. She also went on to tell me that the lock extensions, the hair that they use for the lock extensions, was coarser than my hair, and ultimately you would be able to very easily see where my hair started and where the lock extension began. And also they said that there would be a lot of slippage. So I ultimately, as you can see, I obviously decided not to get extensions and only locked my own hair. After getting my locks installed, I was pleasantly surprised by how much I loved my locks so much. I thought maybe I'd like it and grow into it, but I didn't think that I would love it. But I instantly loved my locks without the extensions as soon as they were done. I was obsessed. And so to lay out my timeline again, I got my locks installed December 8th, 2022. And from my first retie in January 2023 until about July, August of 2023, I was going in religiously to get my hair retightened professionally by a loctician. And then it was around that same time frame, July, August of 2023, that I started retightening on my own. But a lot has happened in that time frame, which I'm gonna make a separate video about. So make sure that you stay tuned to see my updated lock videos. And I'm really excited to show you all the ways my locks have matured. I also will be talking about some significant missteps I've made on my lock journey And 2024 is my year of restoration. So all those missteps I've made with my locks, I plan to rectify them. So just come with me on this journey. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And I can't wait to catch you in my next video. Bye.